All right, good morning, guys. Right now, I'm starting my morning off in Naples, and I'm gonna have an espresso. And this is Italian tradition: is to have an espresso early in the morning to start your day. So you have the shot of water first, and then you have the espresso. Now you have the coffee. You have it standing up, so you don't have to pay the $2.50 charge to sit down. All right, so I just had my espresso shot, and I'm not really a coffee person. Anyone that knows me knows that. But in Italy and Ethiopia, because they're known for like their espressos and their coffee, you have them. So we're gonna start the morning by heading to this fish market, which I'm really excited about because I like seafood. So I was gonna take the metro, but it's gonna take 20 minutes, and it's gonna take 20 minutes for me to walk, so it doesn't make any sense. So we're gonna head over. I'm gonna Right now, I stumbled on this like side street. I don't know what it is, but it seems like it's buzzing on my way to the other market. So I'm gonna walk it, try to get some footage. It looks like they're selling like a whole bunch of like different things, like just like mops, brooms, bags. It's a lot of locals here shopping. So it's maybe like a Sunday thing that people do here on Sundays in Naples. So let's check it out, see what we can get. You have shopping bags, looks like food. People of all different nationalities. Oh yeah, it's like an open air Sunday market. Oh. Cigarettes. Oh, seafood. Olives. You got pots, you got everything here. Bread. You hate the camera? So it looks like we just stumbled upon like a Sunday market or a farmer's market. Because mostly it's all locals of all different nationalities coming in and buying like seafood, vegetables, cigarettes, just anything you could think of. They're out here buying it. I'm gonna get back on path and head to the market, the seafood market, even though they have seafood here, but the other market, they actually cook it for you, so you pick it and you cook it. So I'm excited about that. Right now, guys, we're on Napoli. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's like a buzzing street that divides the city. So you can come here and get like anything from souvenirs to food. And there's just people in all these different little squares, and it's a small, narrow street. And it's just like packed with people right now, and it's early in the morning, everyone's shopping. So we're gonna go walk around, see it. It was on my list, and I ended up just running into it. So, which is actually better for me. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see it. It's like buzzing. It's only like 9 in the morning. Everyone's out buying all type of crazy souvenirs. I'm gonna buy something from here and give it away on my IG. Continue. So it's like famous, the street is famous for like these little, in Jamaica we would say like little figurines, but this is where you come and get them. You can put them on your fridge. And they have everything from soccer players to the Pope to lemons. Head speed, pastori. So it's called pastori, like similar to pastor, and that's the name of it.
Lo sciosciò napoletano, famoso sui social. Si può usare a montone alla volta.
In these areas, you want to keep your bag in front of you just in case someone tries to like pickpocket you or something. So I turn my bag around, have it in the front. I was just in this like walking gridlock. You couldn't even move. It was so many people from like a group tour, and many of them were like older, so they were moving very slow. So right now I'm gonna try to pick up the pace and get to where I'm going, but it is packed. I'm so surprised because usually on Sundays in most Italian cities it's very quiet. But like I said, Naples has been my favorite city by far. It's the most welcoming. The food is good. It's cheap, which is the most important. And you can hear a lot of people say it's dangerous and stuff like that, and it can be if you're in the wrong neighborhood at the wrong time. But for the most part, the people are way more welcoming than the people in the north. I can tell you that right now. And they speak a lot less English than the people in the north, so that's weird, right? So right now, like I said, I'm trying to get to the fish market, so let's hurry up and get there for the crowds, because I think it's a good spot for lunch, where a lot of people take their lunch break if they're touring the city, if they're walking around the city all day. So I just want to get there a little bit before they do. There's so many spots to eat, man, from pizza to pasta to seafood to pastries. Just lines and lines at like every shop. scenes like that are so common in on this strip on Scappinalia. You'll see people like singing, dancing, and just enjoying a good time. People are out having spritzes, and if you don't know, Italians love their spritzes. So it's prosecco and Campari, which is like more of a tart, sour taste, and then you have Epora, which is the orange-looking one, and it's more sweet. So those are the two. I'm not really a big fan of either one, but I'll have one once in a while at if it's like a happy hour or what Italians call what's the word starts with an A? I can't remember. So bad with languages. Aperitivo or something like that. It's like a happy hour where you get the spritzers, and then they bring out these different like dishes or like small like dishes like tapas style, like different cuts of meat, cheese, peanuts. So every restaurant does something totally different, but yeah, and then you pay. So it's good. So they do before they have dinner. And the drinks are like bitters. For people that don't know, Campari is a bitter, and Epora is a bitter. So we have arrived. We're at the fish market, and the spot that I'm going to go to is down there, but I'm going to show you around. It's not as packed as people said it was going to be, which is fine with me. That means I can like, I don't have to be like worried about all my stuff. But there's people also like from their balconies looking down, like 'cause people also live here, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to try to show that without like being like obvious. Hey.
Serve le cozze solo questi su, nel senso che stanno finendo. Allora Gigi vado
All the produce is like fresh. It's like fresh local produce, which is like great. You can like smell it. I'm gonna go head down here. I think this is the spot that you can get like fish in a cup or fried fish. So I'm kind of keen to like try the fresh seafood here, 'cause I haven't had that many seafood dishes since I've been in Italy, just a few. So this is a spot where you pick it out right here, and then they cook it for you. Pereschi Asura. Oh, it's where you get the fish in a cup. That's €5, guys. It is all fresh seafood. Like, oh, look at that. So there we have it. Seafood in a cup. So I just had my lunch at in Paschetta Market and some seafood, and it was all right. I'm not gonna sit here and say it was great. The fish balls were phenomenal. So if you come and get anything, get that, or you can get the fish in a cup for €5, which allows you to sample everything, or you can sit and have like a proper meal, which might be different. I just got the fish in a cup because I'm on the go. So we out to the next spot. So yeah, come to the market. Come to the seafood spot. I'll post it up in the video so you can check it out. And then we're gonna enjoy the rest of the city.
Oh, ma tu non fai una risata, Enrico, da vedere,